Artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, enterprise cloud computing, big data analytics are all exponentially growing. More and more enterprise companies are implementing machine learning technologies as part of their business strategy and to differentiate themselves along with being on the cutting edge of technology. With thousands of open job opportunities, you need to gain valuable knowledge to enhance your existing skill set. Welcome to this course on AWS Rekognition Machine Learning Using Python Masterclass, step-by-step, complete, hands-on, with over 18 hours of instruction. My name is Syed, and I'll be the instructor for this course. I've been in the training industry for well over 20 years, and I've trained thousands of students. Currently, I have 45 plus courses and teach over 175,000 plus happy students at Udemy. And I'd like to welcome you to this course, always bringing you the latest technologies with up-to-date knowledge. This is a fairly gigantic course on AWS Rekognition and Python development. Let me walk you through the course agenda and why you should take this course. In this course, you learn and practice successfully using Python to extract labels from images, extracting text from images using Python. You'll also learn fundamentals of AWS machine learning concept, gain solid understanding of AWS Rekognition. As a bonus, I'm also going to cover Python Introduction and Python Advanced Programming course, all in one. You will also learn PyCharm, installation and configuration using Boto 3, AWS SDK, coding in Python to detect object, faces, and text from images, and much more. So revolutionize your learning, stay at the cutting edge of enterprise cloud computing, and enjoy bigger, brighter opportunities. So if you're looking to learn new skills or enhance existing skill set, machine learning course on AWS Rekognition using Python is the right course for you. So what are you waiting for? Click on the enroll button now, and I will see you in class.